From the mind of Paul Schrader have come some of the most provocative and controversial films of our time. Now, he brings us a new story of life on the edge. For John Latour, a dangerous career was the most comfortable life he had ever known.
Johnny, you want to have lunch with me tomorrow? 1 o'clock till Bath?
You really think she means it this time?
New Year's Eve, she had her chart done. New Year's Eve and out. No acid house, no product, no delivery.
What do you do with all your money?
It's not that much in the first place,
It's
as you know.
tax-free.
Mary, you don't have to avoid me. I'm straight.
You're dealing.
We were magical.
But John Latour is about to wake up and discover that everything he has is about to change.
This wouldn't matter to you, but you make it hassle. What? What do you see? What is around me?
I see a woman who has betrayed you. You tried to kill me.
Johnny, what is this? Your beeper broke?
There's danger around you. It's very close.
Someone I know died tonight.
This was not an accident. This person was murdered.
Somebody sold her. Somebody upscale. Somebody classy.
They play with fake money all day. To them, cash is like some kind of theoretical concept. It doesn't apply.
I got a problem. I need a piece. Piece of what? A gun.
Johnny, it's business.
You drift from day to day. Years go by. Then a change comes. What a strange thing to happen halfway through your life.